Kith to see if I liked anything, and of course I did. And I just bought a very expensive pair of EB denim jeans that fit me absolutely perfectly. So I needed them because I've been on the hunt for a like skinny on top, flare on bottom jean. So I just got them, and then I'm like done spending. I just have to go to Sephora to exchange the Westman Atelier skin drops that I got in my last vlog. The color isn't right. I think I need one shade darker. That's basically free, girl math, right? Just an even exchange. But yeah, I'll show you guys the jeans on later. And they gave me a little flower, how cute. But it's a rainy Thursday. I'm gonna go home now. As you guys saw earlier, I was working at 12 Matcha, which is like my favorite matcha in the city. And I bought a tin of their matcha, which is great. But yeah, and then I have an event tonight with Djerf Avenue and Bluestone Lane, like two amazing brands that I love. So excited for that. And then Casey, Julia's sister, is making us dinner tonight at her apartment. And then I have to decide if I'm gonna go to Daniel's after that or leave tomorrow morning. So we will see. So I'm currently waiting for my Uber to come for the Djerf Bluestone Lane event. This is my outfit, just like threw on a blazer, and I had my makeup on from earlier. I'm not wearing a jacket because I am basically going door to door. But after this event, I'm going to come home, quickly pack, and then I'm headed to Daniel's down the shore. So long night ahead, but I cannot wait to get to Daniel's and spend Friday, Saturday there. And then we're gonna come back up. I have Remi Bader's birthday party on Saturday night, and then Sunday nothing. So let's go. I'm in like the back area of my building, and my roommate and I always think it's like right before you're about to go on stage and sing. So this is like our, let's go. Like, oh my God, I hear the crowd roaring. And then they're on stage. It's pouring rain. Hi guys, we're at Chipotle, me and Daniel. I had a work from home day at Daniel's all day. It's Friday. And now we're gonna eat our Chipotle before going to the movies. So, got my bowl with a side tortilla, and then the best is sour cream and the salad dressing. And you put a little bit of the sour cream in the dressing, shake it up so it makes it a little creamier, and then you put that on the bowl. Life hack. We're going to see the movie Hoppers. We're very excited. Look at that. I'm gonna get a side tortilla to like make little tacos. But yeah, we're gonna go see Hoppers. We're very excited. And then tomorrow we have Remi Bader's birthday party, so we're gonna do that. I have to figure out an outfit for it because it is 70s theme. I think I mentioned that. If not, I need to figure that out. So we'll go up to the city tomorrow. Daniel gets off of work, and then go to the party. With my bowl, I'm gonna go eat, and I'll let you know how the movie is. This is my outfit. It is from Danielle Guzio. I rented it on Pickle, and like I did a little wave, feeling like Cher. And my boots are from Revolve, little like Western vibe. And that's the fit. We're going to Remi's soon. All the peeps are here. I'm in Bridget's bathroom. And yeah, we're gonna go have fun. Wow, look how pretty this view is. I mean, it's a little foggy today, but there's the Statue of Liberty. And there is the little ferry. But we're heading to brunch. Happy Sunday. It's the day after Remi's, and it's daylight savings, so we're all thrown off. I woke up at literally 12 o'clock, which is so bad. We're walking to meet Bridget and Mitch, possibly Danielle and Lewis, for some brunch at Toby's estate, of course. My little crimped hair kind of stayed from yesterday, which I like, but I need a matcha desperately. It is so beautiful in New York today. I can't get over it. I have no jacket on. Everyone's out and running, and it's so nice. So we're gonna have a little Sunday, I took off of work for the next 2 days, so I'll bring you guys around. But stay tuned for some Tobies. Okay, here's my matcha.
I like that.
I asked for extra.
Is that like equivalent to like an extra shot?
I just need to get more.
Yes.
I don't like that either, but
Miss me?
I don't know.
I've been
I want to
catching up
know.
on all
Joe
your
is
vlogs.
doing no, the one who's doing
What is this? Tobies latte?
got it.
Whole milk.
I might just,
Whole milk.
Yeah, I gotta,
Oh, they all got it. So we have basically an avocado toast with heirloom tomato and a fennel salad. Medallion nuggets. Happy Monday, everyone. I took off of Max Mara today, so we're gonna have a day. I have a lot of things to get done, but we're starting with meeting the twins and Bran, as in Bran Flakes, for some coffee. And then I have a pedicure at 3 o'clock, and I'm getting a Russian pedicure, and I'm so excited because it's like medical grade. I don't know how much of my feet I'm gonna be filming, but excited. And then, yeah, my hair has stayed pretty crimped from Remi's party, and I'm like loving it. It's lasted so long, and typically my hair never even holds a curl, so this might be my new go-to. But it is so warm in New York. It's like 66 degrees today. So I am in a short sleeve shirt, a little chilly in the shade, not gonna lie, but I'm manifesting it to be warmer, so I'm wearing short sleeves. Not sure where we're going for coffee. I think maybe Laughing Man, which I've never been before, so I hope they have good matcha. And then, yeah, I have a ton of videos to film today, and then I'm also off tomorrow. I have a Peloton class that I have to go to in the middle of the day, so that'll be fun. And then, yeah, excited to be with Bridget and Danielle on a Monday. How fun. Okay, we're in Meadow Lane. Twins and Bran trying the chicken nuggets, the attendees.
What are you guys doing for lunch?
To get my pedicure. Lovely. And then to film a ton of videos and get some work done. But I literally want to go outside and tan. So. Turns out I went to the wrong location. What's worse? Genuinely, what's worse? So I'm at the Union Square location now, over a half hour late, so just want to relax, get a nice relaxing pedicure. It's a bit later now. I got my pedicure, but I just wanted to show you guys this view right now. It's so warm out. There's so many people on the roof, and the sunset's so pretty. You like can't really see the whole thing, but so pretty. Good morning. It is Tuesday, and I'm headed to a cultural event at the Peloton studio in New York. So the lighting right now is so weird, but it's so hot outside. I'm like sweating in my little wrap top, my Fifi wrap top. The dress code was green, so luckily I had a green workout set. The class is only 30 minutes long, which is nice because I have a lot to do today, as I always say, but I have a ton of brand deals to film today, so I have to go home and do that. But, ooh, here's the sun. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I'm excited. I've never been here. We're in like Hudson Yards. I wish I could shop in the mall, but we don't have time today. Hi guys, it is Thursday night. We're headed to a U Beauty event, U Beauty Casino, and then I'm headed to a Makeup by Mario event after. This is my look. Damn top and pants and a Frankie Shop blazer, little Michael Kors bag, obsessed with this, and the sickest new shoes that I have ever found.
Wait, show Cierra's shoes. They're vintage. Whoa. They're sick. Okay, very cool.
Good morning, guys, and happy Friday. Look at that view. Wow. So it's Friday. It is freezing. So annoying because it was so warm last week or a few days ago, and I was literally wearing short sleeves. So sick of this. Okay, anyways, after the U Beauty and Mario event last night, I came home and I had a Chick-fil-A Cool Wrap, and it was amazing. I haven't had one of those in years, so kind of back onto those. But I'm walking to meet up with Clea and Danielle. We're going to the Apple store. I need a new laptop, so I want to just like play around with my options. I don't know if I'm gonna get one today, but the girls needed other stuff too, so we figured we'd all go together. And then I need a matcha and food desperately. I am so hungry. And then tonight we have Hallie Kate's engagement party, which is gonna be so much fun. Daniel's gonna come into the city. And then tomorrow I have my friend Carrie's bridal shower in Long Island. And then Sunday I have a photo shoot. So I'll vlog all of that. A lot going down in the next few days. So I'm really excited. The photo shoot is for my website that I'm launching. And I just need like professional pictures done. So I got a spray tan. I have my hair girl coming to do my hair Sunday morning. I'm gonna do my own glam because I just don't like when other people do my makeup. But anyways, I'm rambling. Follow along for more and let's have a Friday. We did it! Woo! Mine is literally 500 pounds and Clea's is like 2 pounds.
Cece got one too.
Yeah. Okay, hi, a little change of plans. We're getting coffee, me, Bridget, Danielle, and our friend Rocky, and then we are going to the Summer Fridays event. I originally wasn't going, but I am going. And this is my outfit, a little jacket. It's actually a long jacket with this Sport Max. It's like a yellow, baby yellow top, but I just like threw this together really quick because it was kind of a last minute decision. So we're gonna do that and then we're gonna get drinks later and then go to Hallie's. So a lot going on. I need to like shower, take my full face of makeup off and redo it later and find a time to eat in between. So today's been hectic, but yeah, I'm excited for Summer Fridays. It's their new fragrance launch. Yeah, let's go pick up Bridget.